Alright, what's up? F It Outdoors. It's like I showed you earlier in the truck. It is 28 to 31 degrees. I don't know how much I trust the thing in my truck, but I can tell you this, it's snowing. Look around me. You can see by what I'm wearing. I don't even know if I can cast a fishing pole with this many clothes on, but we're gonna give it hell. Got Gino trailing up there. You want to bite just a little bit of that off, Gino.
Like what we talking
Shorten it up, make it small.
Okay.
Yeah, something like that. There you go. So we're gonna do the old jigging. We're gonna be jigging. All right. No, just drag it. Don't pop it unless you feel something. My main concern for today is going to be my frickin' micro guides freezing up on me because I did not grab a spinning reel. I didn't think about it until after Gino got in the truck. Actually, I seen he had a spinning reel and I was like, shit. Oh, I just got a bite, Gino. He's on there. I got him. Oh, I missed him. Oh, are you shitting me? Oh, and then I just freaking rat's nested my pole out of aggravation.
Keep dropping the F-bomb.
Gosh, dang it. Well, the good thing is that big red barn you guys see, my dad's in there right now with a fire going. That's a fish. Oh, I missed another one, Gino. Oh, man, this is hard.
I had another bite, but I said I didn't want to get excited.
Man, this is hard. I mean, this is crazy. Oh! Get him! It's a burden! Oh, damn it! That son of a bitch got snow on it. It's possible. Yeah.
It's possible. Sitting out ice cubes with him.
Yeah. He got some grass. He wanted that bastard.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
I've seen that coming. The problem I'm having, Gino, is it's freezing right here.
Oh yeah, that's the worst one. That's a small pole.
Yeah, and I can't do nothing about it. These ones I can break off.
Can you blow on it? I got nothing.
This is crazy.
I'm ice free. Oh, I got the snow where I set it down.
Not really sure what's going on at the moment. I can't feel my fingers. Pretty warm body wise, but I got a lot on. I'm pretty sure my beard's freezing. Just got a bite. Hopefully didn't feel a hook.
Yeah, it's good. But maybe the same size. No, he's a little bigger. Get your ass in here. Come on up, baby.
Nice. About a pounder, pound and a half.
Pretty color, though.
Oh yeah, these cold water fish are marked up good. So as you guys can see, this pond is close to freezing. I mean, I don't know how much more extreme it can get than this without being ice fishing. But I am glad he's catching them. Got him! Got him, Gino! Yeah! Yeah, about 2 pounds, dude. Hell to the yeah! Can you believe this, dude? Holy cow, dude, he choked it. He absolutely choked it. Oh. Nice. Nice. I'm not sure where the pond starts here. Uh-oh. Come on, buddy, pull it together. Wrong way, buddy. There you go. Wrong way, buddy. Wrong way. Wrong way, buddy. Come on, man. There you go. There you go. There you go. Dude, that's going to be funny. I'm sure this ice on my guides is nicking it all to shit. Uh-oh, what happened? Have a breakdown?
Oh, I got a bad breakdown.
He says it's deep. Oh, I just missed one, Gino.
Oh, you got it.
I didn't get it. I'm fishing through it. Got him! Got him, Gino!
I got this one. I see 2 pounders all day.
Now, I wonder how long he was camped out looking at that thing while I was messing with my reel.
Oh, it's good. 3 or 4 minutes to be doing that.
fish is having muscle spasms, dude. Got him. Doubled up. Are you shitting me?
Oh shit, man! That's my third, baby.
I know. I'm trying to catch up. So it goes to show you, folks, don't... Got him! Got another one! This goes to show you, folks, you don't have to put them fishing poles up just because it's cold out. Gorgeous. Got another one? That's 3 to 4.
There's a little more snow covered inside the woods, but it's good. So just walk and sit and you can jump on up.
There he is. Got him! Oh, that's a good one.
Rob, looks like a good gun.
I mean, sounds like a good time to just stop while we're tied. Yeah, right. Get him, Gino.
What happened, babe? Holy shit. I got more fish in snowstorm than I picked ever in a pond. This is nuts.
Well, everything died. That's number 5. 5-5 right now. 5 to 5. That's a good fish. So we can barely feel our fingers and our toes. So we wound up pulling what, 10? Yes. 10 largemouth bass in the snow. You guys can tell from the video that it was snowing on us the entire time that we fished. That just goes to show you that, man, it doesn't matter how cold it is or what the weather conditions are, as far as cold or wet or whatever, fish are still going to bite. Fish still got to eat. Don't be scared to tie on that finesse jig and slow drag it across the bottom. Gino learned today. He probably never fished like that this time of year in his life. Probably would have never done it if I wouldn't have talked him into it. And I guarantee you, he acquires more of those jigs for his tackle box.
I just let Rob buy them and give me one.
That's it. That was your first. That was the only free one. So, just in true fashion to the name of the channel, you know. Woke up, it was snowing, made a fire in the house, and I said, F it, I'm getting outdoors. So, always remember to say definite to get outdoors. Probably gonna be better than just hanging out doing nothing. Peace.